Introducing Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 10. With its enhanced air intake keyboard and 110mm glass touchpad, 2.8K OLED, and WQU XGA touch display options. The X1 Carbon has the new Intel 12 Gen U15 P28 CPUs with 20-watt design and 32GB of memory. This is where beauty meets performance. And with 5G and Wi-Fi 6E, the X1 Carbon has the industry's best connectivity. The X1 Carbon also comes with new FHD cameras housed in a communications bar with optional computer vision. The improved camera experience combined with Dolby Voice and iSafe certified low blue light displays gives hybrid work a whole new elevated experience. The X1 Carbon Gen 10 is the perfect business notebook. It's reliable, durable with a luxurious build and handy security features, all while pushing the limits with new technology. Great for anyone looking for both longevity and power.